Let's take a look at my favorite pattern, the Gartley pattern. It was originally introduced by H.M. Gartley back in 1935. Larry Pesavento reintroduced the pattern in the 1980s, and more recently Scott Carney, one of Larry's students, decided to improve the pattern further. As with all the other patterns, I only look for patterns found at key levels of support and resistance. In this example, we're looking at a bullish Gartley, and you can see I've noted a key area of support found from the daily or 4-hour time frame. We have price drive down into our key level of support, causing price to rally strongly. We label this X to A. That's the initial drive off our key area. Price then retraces. In this example, we're looking at a 618 retracement, and we'll label this point B. Price then rallies up towards A. In this pattern, it cannot exceed point A. The retracement on this is anywhere from a 38 retracement to an 886 retracement of A to B. We're then looking for price to drive down, having a run down at the lows, and we're looking at a retracement of a 79% retracement of X to A, and the extensions we're looking at from B to C are anywhere from the 127 to 1618 extension. So we're looking for that confluence of the 79 retracement or the 786 retracement with the 127 or 1618 extension, and labeling that, you can see we have X, A, B, C, and we're looking to place a buy order at point D. So this highlighted area, that's where we have the fib confluence, and the stops, the way I trade the pattern, go below point X, and we're looking for a rally to the upside.